So, welcome back Petrolheads, it's Petrolhead Pete here, reporting from PHP headquarters, and another little video to show you tonight's meeting up at the Ball House in Boston. Not so many cars turned up tonight, but that's because there was a lot of other car shows or car meets, should I say, in and around the area. There was one at Boston Bowl, there was another one over towards Horncastle, there was another. They were all over the place. So yeah, not as many turned up tonight, but still a good few. So there's a few nice cars for you to look at, and again, there were some nice people there. A couple of new people turned up as well that I haven't met before. Got on very well with them. But yeah, don't forget the Ball House last Thursday of every month. Come along. If you've got a car, bring it along with you. If you just want to come and chat to some people, come along. If you just want to come and have a look at the cars, please do come along. We look forward to seeing you. So anyway, short video this week of what was there, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Petrolhead Pete, over and out.